Alright, got another camper update for you. Last night I spent 5.5 hours in here until 11:30 at night finishing the final coat of paint. So it's got 2 coats of Bare Premium Plus Ultra white, and the coat of Kills underneath that, so hopefully it'll stand up. We had to take the refrigerator out. We opened the door and it just reeked of ammonia, and it was also trying to ignite even when it wasn't on propane, so it was dead. So we took that out. In order to do that, we had to take the door frame out, and since we did that, we put in some flooring. Show you the color that we chose. It's called Silver Spruce. It's a peel and stick product, vinyl product. When I put the door in, I put the first row of flooring in so it could go underneath the threshold. Painted the bottom cabinets gray into the kitchen. In here, put some knobs on there. Also changed the clips. I put those latches on, catches on, instead of the stuff they had. Put ball bearing slides on the drawers. You can kind of see that. So these open and close real nice now. Got the stereo hooked up. It's got four speakers, 2 up front, 2 over the dinette. All the lighting's installed, just from Amazon, LED lights. Sprayed the countertop with this gray speckled kind of stone texture, and then did this triple thick glaze on top of it. This was kind of disappointing, but this is a peel and stick vinyl subway tiles. Looks pretty good, but you can see some wrinkles and stuff. The piece behind it was a little bit water damaged, so it had some kind of warpage. So you can see that kind of on the final product. That's pretty much it. The outside still needs to be completely siliconed on the outside. I've done about half of it. Got to pick the old stuff off, put the new stuff on. But did a test of all the appliances. Besides the fridge, everything worked. Water heater works, furnace works. So hopefully the next video is the big reveal. We'll see you on the next one.